Today I'm going to show you how to highlight a part of image with a glowing neon frame. After opening new Canva project, go to uploads and after uploading your image, drag it to the design. Let's increase the size to fit the page and duplicate. Go to elements and type neon gradient frame and click graphics. Scroll down to this one and you can change the colors of this frame as you want. Let's rotate it like this 90 degrees, increase the size. Let's place it in the middle. Click in this image and crop it exactly with the frame. Go to corner rounding and increase a little bit like this. Click in this image, go to edit, adjust and decrease the brightness. And let's go to layers, show layers, go back to this image and control the corners as you want. Now it's perfect. And here's the final result. And if you want to use a circle or any shape, all what you have to do, just go to elements, frames, and use the circle. Duplicate again and place the image inside the frame. Increase the size. And go to layers, select the image, go to edit and make the brightness normal. And make this circle behind the neon frame. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.